How to Start Intermittent Fasting, the Beginner's Guide. Have you heard about intermittent fasting but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, we're breaking it down step by step, making it easy and approachable. Discover how to start fasting and build habits that could help transform your health and well-being. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's a simple way of scheduling your meals. You're alternating between eating and fasting periods. Popular for boosting metabolism and supporting weight control, it's an adaptable method for healthier living. No calorie counting or strict food rules required. One popular approach is the 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals in an 8-hour window. Another option is the 5-2 plan, where you eat normally for 5 days and limit your calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Pick what suits your lifestyle. Ease into it. Start with shorter fasting windows, like 12-12, 12 hours eating, 12 fasting, and increase over time. Stay hydrated during fasting periods. Water, tea, and black coffee are your best friends. Practice patience with your body as it adjusts to the new routine. During eating periods, focus on whole, nutritious foods. A balanced plate with lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs can help sustain energy. Avoid junk food or overeating, as the key is to nourish your body, not overload it. Intermittent fasting may improve weight management, regulate blood sugar levels, and support mental clarity. Many find it simplifies their routine. Fewer meals mean less planning. Remember, consistency is key to unlocking long-term health benefits. Set realistic goals to stick with your plan even on challenging days. Keep a journal to track your progress and celebrate small wins. It's okay to adjust along the way. Listening to your body is important in making this a sustainable practice. Remember, starting intermittent fasting is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time and consistency. Ready to get started? Subscribe now for more practical tips, and let us know your fasting goals in the comments. Your healthier lifestyle begins today. Let's achieve it together. Thanks for watching.